Hi everyone, I'm Jamaican Princess. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is where you will see me do reviews on all type of products such as skincare, health product, household, etc. It's just mainly about products and products that are affordable and, well, you can say cheap, but yeah, on a budget. Yes, and they are. I only use this like for the first 3 days, and I'm telling you guys, it's like a miracle oil. So each day I will bring you a brand new video. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll be the first person to know when I upload a new video, guys. A review on the Maybelline. And to make sure to comment down below to say hello. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you will go down in the description or anywhere around me you see my new videos. Just click on one of them and just start watching. Okay. Alright guys, bye bye. See you in the next video.